Alright, welcome back YouTube people. Today we're reviewing the Arrow P21 stapler. Now if you're like me, here's the model number P21, I couldn't figure out how to load it. It only takes J21 staples. So the YouTube video that shows how it works does go over loading, but someone made a nice comment that enabled me to figure it out. So down in here you see that red tab right here, and there's a black piece under it. You have to separate it. So and it flips open kind of like a switchblade. Oh crap, the light went off. So then basically have it like this. This slides back and you drop in your staples like so. Have to have it facing down like that, otherwise this piece won't slide back. And then this catches, so you just press that down and staple away. Also, figuring about product reviews, Flex Shot. This stuff is really cool because it comes out like a constant bead. We'll do that in another video. Anyway, the stapler, that's how you load the Arrow P21. Enjoy.